Welcome to the first of a series of videos on the Pace Solutions meeting app, which is housed within your Microsoft environment. So in this video, we are going to go through the creation of a meeting ready for you or another organizer to utilize during that meeting. So when you access the meeting app, you're presented with your home screen, and depending on the modifications we may have made for your meeting app, your home screen will typically look like the following. But for now, let's have a look for the new meeting button. And this is where we're going to start the process to enter general meeting information. So this information will be recorded against the meeting and drive some further functionality we will see in following videos. Okay, so let's get going. So first thing is to select your meeting type. So depending on your business, there can be different meeting types here. For this business, it's focused on a trades business. And for our example, we're going to use the toolbox meeting as our meeting example. So clicking on toolbox meeting, I then go into our meeting name. Here you should give it a relevant name for this particular meeting. For what we're doing now, we're going to call it the August toolbox. And then we're going to go down and select a location. For this example, we're actually in the office. Then we come to organizer. So here it's obviously set as myself, but then we can put anybody else's name in there. If they have a Microsoft license, we'll be able to select them in there as well. And because this version of the meeting app is focused on the trades, it is connected into Simpro, which is a job management tool. And here we're able to enter in a job number, and the app will link your meeting in the background to this job number and will allow you then to enter tasks directly into Simpro. And we'll see that in a future video as well. And here we're going to come along and select a actual meeting date. We can select dates in advance, so you can get your meetings ready to be utilized in the meeting prior to the actual time the meeting is going to actually happen. So for example, let's say our toolbox meeting is going to happen on Monday, the 7th of August. And I click OK. Now here we come to our start time and end time. You can have two methods to actually update this. You can manually come in here and change the time to whatever it may be. You can see it gives a red warning when the start time is after the end time. So obviously that would be gone to, let's say, 10:06. But you can also come along and select the Set Now button. This will put in the time as it is now, so it's 12:04 right now, and that can be set. We'll then just have to adjust that so we can move on and save details. But you can come back to this screen at the end of your meeting and click on Set Now and get the actual time for at that moment for your end time. I'm just going to move that forward first so we can move into the next step. So from here, you will come into selecting and writing in any relevant notes that are pertinent to this particular meeting. So this could be anything from, well, why is the meeting happening, background information, or anything else that you might deem relevant. So for example, I'm just going to call this, say, monthly toolbox meeting at office. And from here, I will just go ahead and click Save Details. And after a few moments, you will see a new screen will appear with your actual meeting setup. You can see it's called our toolbox meeting name, August toolbox. And here is the information from that general information that we've keyed in. And we'll go through the rest of these areas within our meeting app in our next video. Look forward to seeing you there.